the catnip? Where's the catnip ball? Yeah, there it is. I'll give it to you. I will give it to you. Yeah. There's the catnip ball. You staticky? You making statics? Here. Go get it. Where'd it go? There it is. Here. Hunter. Get. That's how it starts. She smells it. And then she starts to rub on it. And she knocks it around. Oh, God, fell. It fell. I got it, Hunter. Where'd it go? Where did it go? You see it? Did it go under here? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Go get it. Go get that. Go get that tinfoil. Come on. Come on, Hunter. Use the tinfoil. Okay. You done? He's done. You gotten some good tinfoils. No? Alright.